Oh my god. Again! Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the Maybelline Advent Calendar. I'm super excited to have this one here. The reason that this is so small it is because this is a mini Advent Calendar. It contains 5 full-size products and the cost of it is 15 euros. I think this is a very good price for full-size products by Maybelline. And oh my god, I'm super curious to see what we have. Also I want to see if we can do a full face makeup look with all of the products. I'm so excited for today's video and for the beginning of the Advent Calendar series. Let me know in the comments what other Advent Calendars you would like to see on my channel this year. I'm super excited! Share this video with a friend that likes Advent Calendars or even Maybelline products. Oh, what was this sound? And of course don't forget to subscribe if you want to get notified for all the Advent Calendar unboxings of this year. I have done some changes, my hair, also my background. I think I'm gonna have a plant here. I'm not very sure. If you have any decoration ideas, let me know in the comments. And for the hair, I got the haircut and coloring. Okay, I don't want to bore you. Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to calculate the overall value of all the products and see if this is actually 15 euros or more. Also, this one is a very nice gift idea. The packaging is ideal for Christmas gifts. You can also keep it for yourself. And we have some stickers here, so I'm gonna try to remove them. We also have one on the other side. Ooh, it's a drawer. It is so pretty. It looks like a photo frame. It is like a frame. Okay, just a second. So, oh my god. Again, I'm losing products. I hope nothing broke. Every year the same. This is the first box. Let's start unboxing. And it says, "Let the magic begin." It has some lips here, so I'm guessing we have a lipstick. It is a little bit small for lipstick. No, it's okay. And oh my god, a spoiler alert. It says, "But first the lipstick." So, okay, let's see. Paper. We have a lipstick. So this is a powder matte, ultra matte lipstick in the shade Nocturnal Rose 10. It looks like the perfect mauvish lip color. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. Now, I have a liquid lipstick on, so I'm not going to wear this one, but I'm going to do a makeup tutorial with all of the products. It has a very nice scent. You know how much I like Maybelline lipsticks. This is very creamy, and I've never heard of this lipstick. Is this a new formula? I'm not very sure. The lipstick is definitely for fall and winter, and it is going to look very nice with a smoky eye look. Number 10 is this big one here. Maybe we have an eyeshadow palette? I'm very curious. It says Nikolaus, and that means Santa in German. Dear Santa, please leave presents here. Again, we have a spoiler on the back of the box. It says, "Shine bright like a diamond." Okay, do we have a highlighter? I was expecting an eyeshadow palette, but okay. We don't say no to highlights here. Oh my god, it's a palette! I was right! This is the City Mini palette in the shade 540 Diamond District. I think I have exactly the same one, so just a sec. So I don't have it. Okay, this is Graffiti Pop 450, so I'm going to open this. You can definitely use this one with the lipstick. The matte eyeshadows are not very impressive, but this shimmery one is very shiny and beaming and super beautiful. So I'm very curious to see how they're going to work on my eyes. I'm not the biggest fan of Maybelline eyeshadows. Moving on to box number 3, and this one says, "Leave a little sparkle whenever you go, wherever you go." I'm guessing this is a highlighter. It says, "Too glam to give a damn." Oh no, it's not. So this is a nail polish in the shade Smoked Roses with one coat. Oops, I touched somewhere. Okay, I'm fine. Hooray! With one coat, this one has a very nice opacity, and I'm going to apply a second just to see how it looks. It also looks very nice with 2 layers of the nail polish. It is also a very nice color for Christmas. Let's continue with this one here. I'm afraid that I'm going to touch it with my nail now, the painted nail. Box number 4 says, under the mistletoe, 7 more days to Xmas. Christmas. Xmas. Who says Xmas? So, let your heart shine through your smile. This is very lightweight. Maybe we have a lip gloss? Let's see. Ooh, what is this? Is this a new product? Where is the name? I can't see with the lights. I think I'm having a migraine. This is the color Drama Intense Velvet Lip Crayon, and this is in the shade 310, Very Much. So the plastic layer is very tight to this lip crayon. 500 minutes later, I've made it! It is a dark mauvish color. It is going to look very nice with the lipstick. Yes, you can use them today. Today? No, together. So, let's see the color. Ooh, this is pretty. This is very creamy. The scent is like berries. So, this one has a glowy finish. Oh, that's why it says, let your heart shine through your smile. Nice one. And let's continue with number 5. It is at the bottom part. Be careful. It says Christmas Eve. Merry Xmas again. Christmas. Maybelline. Oh, we are the Maybellines. And on the other side it says, it's Lash O'Clock. Dream with your eyes wide open. So it is a mascara, okay? A mascara. Definitely a mascara. I'm telling you it's a mascara. Yes. So, ooh, it's a mascara! This one here is the Colossal Volume Express Mascara by Maybelline. And I have tried this one again. It gives a very nice volume. We have like a round applicator. It is not very big or very small, so you can get very close to the lashes. I like that all of the products can be used by anyone on any skin tone. And the overall value for all of the products is €31.17, which is great. It is double the amount that I have paid, and I think that this one here can be a very nice gift idea. We have started very well with the advent calendars of this year. You can also watch this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Oh my god, this comes out! Wow! You can also break this part here. Okay, I don't want to ruin it, so I'm going to take this back. The first advent calendar! Woohoo!